Okay, hello everyone. Hope everyone's doing alright. We're going to test the quality here in 1 second. In today's video I will be showing you guys a little bit more about the search engine CRM. And I hope that intrigues you. So let me quickly just have a look here. Yes, I'm live. Cool. Is it working? Sound? Okay, perfect. Alright, so my name is Chad DeVet and I am a captain slash growth hacker slash coach. Okay, and I've designed a CRM that is going to be used for improving people's search engine optimization, general website design, and marketing for the masses, essentially. Okay, I've designed an app that works with any device, Android and Apple. At the moment, I've only got the Android version up, just waiting on Apple to let it go. But I'm going to show you now how it works and what it looks like. Now, it's still in beta, but it works, and my computer is a little bit slow. I apologize for that. And I do have one or two more tweaks to put into the system, but it's presentable at the moment to show you guys what's going on. Okay, so as you'll see, we are in the sign-in screen, Search CRM. You don't have to have an account just yet. You can just simply come and skip to view it, to preview. And essentially what it's going to bring up, it's an e-commerce type of shop. Oh no, a lie, sorry, that's the wrong app. First things that we've got to do is we have to physically get a report on our SEO issues. Okay, we need to analyze our SEO issues and see where we have to start, otherwise it's pointless. It's too difficult. There's a system in place here. So, and the best way to do that is to either do it one at a time. So take a URL, paste it in here and do it, or you could go and instantly compare it to your biggest competitor, which I think is just, it's brilliant because it's killing two birds with one stone. Okay, so now, for example here, let's go and collect, sorry, I'm just quickly finding my site here. So I'll use my my website. Okay, I'll paste in my URL. Okay, and I'm using this now. Where is the okay, and then another one, let's for example would be HTTPS. Okay, and then you analyze. It's quite nice. It's now going to go and get the information. It's going to go wrong. It's going to go run the settings. You'll see that I think I have in the past already done this comparison, so it has the numbers already. It usually doesn't take too long. And what it is going to do now, it's just going to show us, okay, cool. On the left-hand side is Green Rock Crew Solutions, and the right-hand side is Superyachting South Africa, or the competitor. Okay, and it will tell you, cool, here's your title tag. Is it wrong? You'll see at the top there. Has it passed, to improve, and how many errors does it have? Now, based on the color, title tag, meta description, meta keywords, and headings. That's the the first section is very important, and it'll tell you, okay, cool. You see mine, or when you click on the actual configuration button, it will show you and explain to you exactly what's going on there. And then it'll do so for the whole site. Tell you exactly what it looks like on Google. It'll tell you your faults is 18 alt images to the web page. Keyword cloud. It's very, very useful information. So now the keyword consistency, I would need to sign in. You wouldn't be able to sign in because this is private, but you have access to the rest of it. And then what you want to do is you obviously want to share this now to yourself. Okay, and you want to go make a list and say, okay, cool. Now we know that's wrong. We can now start at what we need to fix. So you want to go say share. Now I apologize for not giving you an option to download. What you can do is just click the share button. Okay, and actually no, I'll fix this. I'll get onto this. Essentially what you need to do is you need to be able to download it. So after you've generated it, I will get a notification, and because I'm the developer, I'll be able to log in and I'll be able to download the report and send it to you. So essentially, let's go look at, okay, now after we know what's wrong with our sites and our SEO, we can go and physically fix it all. Okay, so I'm signed into the well, this is my account. Essentially what you'll see here, I don't have much more information. I've got my profile, etc. But when I go back to the home page, you'll see that the first one that we did is one I did yesterday, and then the comparisons is all stored. What I have to do is simply come in here. This is a previous example of what I did, and then I can come and say, okay, cool, let's download. What is that? Download report. Okay, now I'm struggling with that. Like I said, my computer is very slow. You guys excuse me. So it's fine. Update, compare, share. I had a way of doing this easier. Look, essentially you can just share it onto Facebook. You don't have to show the wall. You just share it to yourself. Make it only visible to yourself. And then you can just go download it later. Okay, so now next thing. Let's move on to the next one. Now that we know what the problems are, we can come have a look at the actual thought process. You'll see that, like I said, I'm still under development. The first section is going to be telling you, okay, cool, here's your results. These are the recent blogs, the thought process of how it works, how to fix it, some product categories, webinars, and blog. Okay, and now the main one where we want to be is actually in here, the the CRM. Now, this first section is very important because if we don't have milestones, we don't have anything to work towards. So you'll see that this is very, very, very useful. I can come up in here and say plus, and I can come and say create a project, choose my client, full information, and then essentially we'll get to that a bit later. Okay, so sorry, I was checking something here. Okay, so essentially here you want to go, well, you won't be, no, let me stop this now.